Welcome to Mega Kit. Today we are going to see MK-080 Magic Lock. Magic Lock circuit is based on principle of resonance circuit. When two oscillators of same frequency are kept in close proximity, amplitude of the output frequency will be doubled. The circuit is divided into two parts, one key and other lock. Now let us see how it works. We will give 12 volt supply to the circuit. Relay is normally on. When we bring the key in front of the lock, relay will be off, lock will be open. Now let us see. As soon as we remove the key, relay will be on and lock is closed. The circuit is divided into two parts, one key and other lock. Key and the sensing part of the lock are consist of two Colpit oscillators formed by T1, C1, C2, C3, L1 and T5, C5, C6, C7, L2. These oscillators produces electromagnetic field around L1 and L2. Output of the oscillator from lock is fed to the rectifier circuit formed by half of the IC1. LM358 is a dual op-amp. DC output of the rectifier is given to second half of the IC1. Here second op-amp is used as a comparator. Reference voltage can be set by preset P1. Normally output of both the oscillators have the amplitude half the supply voltage. When they brought close to each other, amplitude suddenly boosts to supply. As soon as it crosses the reference, it will change the comparator output. This output is connected to the amplifier formed by T2, T3, T4. This will drive the LED and relay. Through relay contacts, you can operate electromagnetic plunger to open or close the door. As the lock responds to specific frequency, nobody else can open the door. Let us see the part list. Let us see the parts required. MK-080 Magic Lock PCB1, PCB2 component side. MK-080 PCB1, PCB2 track side. Quantity 1 number each. R1, R3, R9, R10. 1K 1/4 watt CFR resistor, quantity 4 number. R2, R11 47K 1/4 watt CFR resistor, quantity 2 number. R4 1 meg 1/4 watt CFR resistor, quantity 1 number. R5, R6, R7 4K7 1/4 watt CFR resistor, quantity 3 number. R8 100K 1/4 watt CFR resistor, quantity 1 number. C1, C2, C5, C6 100 kPa polyester capacitor, quantity 4 number. C3, C7 10 kPa polyester capacitor, quantity 2 number. C4 10 microfarad 25 volt electrolytic capacitor, quantity 1 number. T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 BC547 NPN transistor, quantity 5 number. L1, L2 39 microhenry, quantity 2 number. D1, D2 1N4007 rectifier diode, quantity 2 number. LED 1 3 mm red LED, quantity 1 number. P1 100K preset, quantity 1 number. IF1 LM358 dual op amp, quantity 1 with socket. RL1 12 volt DC, 1 changeover, PCB relay, quantity 1 number. This is the final assembled project connected to electromagnetic plunger. Hi, I am Hemant Parab from the Mega Kit, your single point source for all your needs of electronic project kits. For the further details, please contact Dolphin Electronics, C2 second floor, Sri Ganesh Building, Gavane Vasti, Bhosri, Pune. My email ID is dolphinproxy@gmail.com. My WhatsApp number is 92255011142. Do like, share and subscribe my channel Mega Kit. Thank you.